Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. I have with me a petition submitted to the National Broadcasting Commission demanding sanction for Reuben Abati and the Arise television for ethnic baiting and Igbophobia on national television. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. Welcome. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, a coalition of media watchdog organizations, including the League of Public Affairs Analysts and Southeast Media Professionals Network, has formally submitted a petition to the National Broadcasting Commission, NBC, calling for swift action against Arise TV and their employee, Reuben Abati, for unprofessional and divisive comments made during the Arise TV breakfast show on 21st of November 2024. In the petition, signed by Dr. Ambrose Iboke, the petitioners requested the Nigerian Broadcasting Commission to do the following. 1. Investigate the broadcast. That the body should conduct a thorough review of Dr. Abati's remarks and the editorial lapses that allow such conduct to air. 2. Hold Arise TV accountable. NBC should mandate a public apology from Arise TV and ensure improved editorial guidelines to prevent future incidents. Number 3, the petitioners demand that NBC sanction Dr. Abati. The NBC was requested to require a public apology from Dr. Abati and impose appropriate sanctions for his unprofessional behavior. Number 4, NBC should ensure the promotion of inter-ethnic harmony. The NBC should encourage Arise TV to air programs that foster unity and counteract the divisive narratives. 5, that the NBC should monitor extremist propaganda and collaborate with relevant authorities to prevent the misuse of broadcast platforms by practitioners. What he's saying is that the NBC should monitor extremist propaganda and collaborate with relevant authorities to prevent the misuse of broadcast platforms by media practitioners. Now, the petitioners also demanded and called for responsible journalism. He said that a nation as divisive, as diverse as Nigeria, the media plays key role in fostering unity, and that unity should be well guided. Other issues raised by the petition is that Reuben Abati, by his conduct, led to the reinforcement of harmful stereotypes, and then made reference to the fact that these harmful stereotypes are what led to the Rwanda genocide in 1994. And many of those stereotypes started from radio stations, started from broadcasters like Reuben Abati, in which at the end of the day, Tutsis, over 100,000 Tutsis were killed in a few days because of the kind of rhetoric that amplifies, that reinforces harmful stereotypes. So that's one of the things that the petitioners want the NBC to take note of in reaching a conclusion on how to punish Arise TV and Dr. Reuben Abati. Another issue that they drew attention was that Reuben Abati's statement amplified divisive groups. There are already groups that are anti-Igbos, that are Igbophobia, which is well known in Nigeria, that there is Igbophobia, which was even acknowledged by a former president of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Now, what Abati, with his PhD and his clout, said reinforced that division. So they ran with it. So other people began to say it is true. Abati was right. Igbos don't sell land to non-strangers. So he helped in amplifying that stereotype, which was dangerous and which was an issue that they have to consider in reaching a conclusion on the kind of sanction that Abati and the Arise TV should receive for their unethical conduct. Another important point they noted was unethical conduct on air. You know that when Abati was drawn, his attention was drawn to the negative reaction from his stereotyping, from his ethnic baiting against the Igbos of Nigeria. He doubled down, claiming that he cannot change his mind, and what he said is sacrosanct. It cannot be changed. He exhibited unethical conduct on air because he confronted the lady that wanted to draw his attention to the complaint of the viewers, but he wasn't ready to listen to any of it. Even when the lady drew his attention that it is their responsibility to read out the reaction from the public, he said, what nonsense reaction? What nonsense responsibility? What nonsense job? To show that he was doubling down instead of acknowledging his mistakes. So these are part of the key issues raised by this petition. And then another key important aspect, in fact, this is the most important of all, that what Abati did was a violation of broadcasting code. This is because, according to them, the remarks and behavior constitute a breach of the Nigerian broadcasting code, which prohibits contents that incites division or promote hate speech. My friend, what do you think? Let's hear from you at the comment section. But I can tell you for free, this is kudos to those who took their time to submit this petition against Abati and Arise Television in the interest of peace and security of our dear nation. Whatever is your response and reaction, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you are new to my channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.